Hello friends, in this session I am going to discuss how smart manufacturing can be implemented at API. API is where you manufacture active pharmaceutical ingredients and how IoT, that is Industrial Internet of Things, can work together to achieve a smart manufacturing. That's what it is the objective of this particular session. So here is the breakdown how I'm going to discuss. So in the smart manufacturing, we want to integrate with the various sensors, to capture the data directly from the machine or the equipments and all, and how it will revolutionize the workflows. And along with that, what are the specific sensors which we feel are normal general? Of course, it all depends upon your plant to plant and all that, but this is just to give you some brief idea or the guidelines to that. So various sensors which are normally used for at a synthesize or a reaction stage in API manufacturing are like temperature sensors is continuously monitor the reaction temperatures for optimal yield and a good quality control. Second is a pressure sensor. This is to safeguard against the overpressure and ensure the process stability. The third is the pH control, which track the pH levels as the reaction takes place and all in a real-time basis so that you can monitor and you can maintain those reaction conditions which are reserved or desired or expected at that particular process. Then comes the near infrared spectrophotometry. This monitors the reaction progress and detects if there are any impurities in a real-time basis. The last is the Raman spectroscopy, which identify and quantify API intermediates at a precision controls. Then comes the next stage is purification and isolation stage. This requires some sensors like chromatography column, which tracks the column performance and optimize separations efficiency. Then turbidity sensors, which detects and impurities and ensure the product clarity and the quality. Then the next one is a particle size sensor. You have to monitor the crystal formation and control the particle size distribution. And finally, the conductivity sensors, which track solvent composition and optimize the purification processes. The next stage into API is drying and milling stage. So where you want to monitor the moisture content, moisture sensors are there, which guarantee complete drying and prevent the product degradation. Then there is a particle size sensors, which verify consistency in particle size distribution for optimal bioavailability. Then airflow sensors ensure the adequate drying conditions, to prevent the dust buildup in process. And then finally the temperature sensors, which prevent the overheating and potential of API getting the degrade also, which is a critical parameter is required. And once this whole product is manufactured, then it goes to the packaging and the storage stage. So at packaging, you have to have a weight sensors which measure accurately the packaging and the prevent dosing errors or something, the quantities and all, and the uh, packaging specifications have to be maintained and all that. And then the oxygen sensor, monitor the headspace oxygen levels to prevent the oxidation over the product and getting the product degraded and all that, which is the most important parameter while it is getting delivered to the customer. Then humidity sensors. Some of the products have to be maintained at a dry conditions, and then the specifically those temperatures at humidities and everything have been identified. So maintaining optimal storage conditions is very important for stability of the product. And then temperature, ensuring the product integrity throughout the storage and transportation. So beyond this, there may be some more sensors which can be considered when we are thinking about going in for the smart manufacturing, adoption of advanced technologies and all that. There are now machine vision systems are there. They uh, look at it and detect the defects or impurities and contaminations and all during storage, during transports and all also. Then hyperspectral imaging, provides a detailed chemical mapping for the comprehensive quality control, and spectroscopic sensors which can detect the impurities and ensure API product purity and all. So some of those things which we have to really operate, use, invest for the better product quality and to achieve smart manufacturing and going to achieve the pharma 4. So we have to really look and see and select these sensors based on to the specific API products which you manufacture, their characteristics, their manufacturing processes, and their quality control requirements and all. And then you can partner with the expert smart manufacturing service providers or who are sensors manufacturers and all that, and then integrate those into your processes and system. Continuously monitoring this and adopting the census implementation will help you to maximize operational benefit and address the evolving process needs actually. Hope this will give you some idea how you should look at it, the various sensors to your API industry and achieve smart manufacturing. Thank you. Bye.